Well, let us dive deep and include the shortcuts given for extrude. So, for that to happen, first we need to go from object mode to edit mode. You can also use tab button on the keyboard, and you have got your vertex, edge and face mode. For that you can also use 1, 2, 3 on your keyboard. So I will take 3, and we will see the face mode, with the help of which we can select any one of the faces. And with that, I'm using the mouse wheel to zoom towards the box, and after zooming there, let us see what kind of shortcuts is given for extrude. Extrude starts with the alphabet E. So E for extrude, just tap E and you will extrude along the normal, means along the perpendicular. So I can extrude up to here. If I select this face and this face, shift click the face to select faces, and E, then we can extrude these faces. If we want to extrude all these 3 faces along the normal, for that is an extra option of the extrude. So for that to happen, you need to press Alt E. It will give you a short menu. One will be extrude face, the basic one. One will be extrude face along normals. This is the one that we need. If I click on this thing and drag it, it's going to extrude it along the normals, but the problem is it's a little bit inclined. So we will go in the menu here and click on offset even. That is going to give us even faces, and with the help of offset you can set which kind of height you want to give to the object. So let us keep it somewhere around here. That was one option. Let us see one more option. I will select this face and this face, not on one plane. This face and this face, both of these are on different place, different sides, different axes. So with that, Alt E, let us see what is extrude individual faces. Now if I click this thing, it is going to extrude it individually. That's how it's going to work. So for extrude, E is the shortcut, and for extra options of extrude, Alt E is the shortcut. And the next option, I just want to show you what it does. I don't think it's that helpful. Let me go a little bit at the bottom. Alt E, I have selected this face and I am going a little bit from the downside, and Alt E, and the next option is Extrude Repeat. If I click this thing, it seems like nothing has happened, but if you just rotate it a little bit around, something has happened. What that something is, it has offset the object. This X, this is Y. Let us bring the Y over here, and with the help of Z, you see it is kind of a making kind of a pillar, which I don't know what kind of use it can come up. We have the options to increase or decrease the steps, and scale offset, what kind of scale you want to offset. What more can I say about this thing? And the last option is Alt E is spin. If I click this, it's going to spin it. I don't know what to say. It's some kind of an abstract thing. One thing that is noticeable is that if I select one of the face, and if I see from one of the angles and then Alt E and then spin, it is going to spin from the side which we are viewing. It can lead to some abstract shapes and some abstract and awesome designs. And one more thing that you can do, one of the most awesome wonderful option that the Blender developers have given to us is that if I select one of the face, okay, I have selected, I went into the extrude region and I am clicking x-axis so that I can see from the side view. Actually I clicked y-axis, that's why I am seeing from the side view, and just hold control and right click wherever you are. The blender will extrude your face up to that point where your cursor is. So from here to here, right click, it will extrude the faces wherever your cursor is. So this is what I wanted to show to you. So this is also one option, that wonderful options. This can be used for making domes, for making arches, for making some kind of arc bridges. For that it's wonderful option. So that is also one of the shortcuts that I think that you should remember, because shortcut is power. So with that being said and done, try to see it, learn it and understand it. Until then, I will meet you in the next video. And if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to support me wholeheartedly, you can go on the Patreon page, link will be given in the description. So with that being said and done, goodbye.